Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix no GPS signal lost on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, click on My Phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, click on Search and Search Optimization. You will see battery optimization is here. Click on battery optimization. If you want to fix this problem, so disable battery optimization. After disable battery optimization, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is factory reset. Click on Settings app, scroll down and click on System. Scroll down and click on Reset Phone and click on Factory Reset. Erase all data. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix no GPS signal lost on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.